Fire truck is ready. Yeah, UA guided airline landing. Woo! It's about to land. Fire truck is ready. Got you! Yep, we're successful with our footage today. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. At least I supposed to take video with our pastor, but no problem, it's okay. So I like that landing today. It was really smooth. Wow. Yep, when you look at the sky this time, it's really calm. You can see clouds, but maybe, I don't know, cannot explain. It's normal maybe, or the best weather, and we don't know. But at least I witnessed that it's really smooth. I don't know. So if you were one of the passengers during that time, 33, I forgot. Yeah, just check the number. 332929. I don't know. So at least safe, and I like that one. Thank you, and shout out to my friend. I asked him, well, what time is the arrival? Then he said 11. So thank you very much. Airplane arrived like 11:03 to my watch, maybe late, or my watch is a little bit advanced, so that's why. Whew. I'm happy today. Have a good day again. Oh my goodness, I love it. Amazing landing today, smooth. So at least yep, we're done with our mission today to take video with the landing. Since this morning I was observing that I will observe what's the performance of the airplane if the weather is like this. Alright, so thank you very much, guys. I want to show you yeah, I saw clouds. Look at the clouds today. Okay, see, you go. It's timing, so I don't know when they take off again today. Alright, so thank you very much. That's all for today. And thank you, and of course to our pilots. Yeah, take care of your flights. So guys, thank you. Thank you for supporting and viewing. At least you learned something. And also, of course, to our students who are planning to take up, what's that, pilot. So at least you have clue, and then you can see how, and I cannot imagine. I'm not pilot. So thank you and stay blessed. Sa lahat, to all, medicine. Kriso, Kalangan, Kamagar, Kulo, what else? Salamat. Thank you. Alright, bye-bye.